If you have a long piece of board and you want to make a straight cut on it, but you have only a jigsaw and no professional tools whatsoever, is it really possible to make one? Well, let me give you a few tips that will make your jigsaw cuts look the best way possible. The first thing you can do is to choose the right blade for the job. Take the thickest blade possible, medium-sized teeth, and it obviously should be very sharp. The thicker blade won't bend as much, and this will result in better cut line during those long cuts. But even if you have only one blade option like I do, we will make it work regardless. You can also play with cutting on front and on the back side of your wood to see which cut is the better one. The jigsaw blade usually cuts on the upstroke, which creates a tear out on the side that you are cutting on. Therefore, try to cut out on the bottom side up, because this way the tear out will be on the bottom side and not on the finished side that you see. Now, to get best results in this long straight cut, you really need to fix this part that you need to cut. You can press it down with something, maybe even put your foot on it, but I like to screw it down to this wooden box because this way it will be fixed for sure. You also need one straight board as a guide for your jigsaw to ride against. You just need to make sure that it's really straight because your cut depends on it. Now, there's one very simple way to define the distance between board's straight edge and your cut line. Let's first measure our cut line. Let's say we want to cut 10 centimeters and this is our final cut piece. I will mark this cut line all over my board because I like to see that I'm always on the right path while I'm cutting. Now, just line up the jigsaw blade on this cut line and mark with your pencil the left side of your jigsaw shoe. Measure this dimension and make one straight line over your board. Now, on this line right here, we are going to fix our straight board, and it will guide our jigsaw straight while we are cutting this line. Now, the most common mistakes usually happen at the very start or at the very end of your cutting line. To avoid this, make sure your guide board is much longer than your cutting board. You want to have plenty enough room to line up your jigsaw against the straight board before starting the cut. And of course, always start your jigsaw before cutting the board. This will avoid any big tear outs at the beginning of your cut. One very important thing is, once you start your cut, make sure to go all the way through it. Avoid starting and stopping at all costs because this will create a tear out and jagged edges. You can also use your other hand to pull against the jigsaw to keep your jigsaw from wandering. Try to be very consistent with the speed of your cutting. Go smoothly all the way to the end of your cut line, and I think you will be very happy with your work. Just sand off this cutting line a little bit and you will have yourself one very straight board. Not bad for a workshop with just one power tool, right? Now, if you want to know how to keep your jigsaw from bending in the cut line, then check out this video right here. You can see 3 tips to get that perfect 90 degrees cut angle. I hope you have found some value in this video. If you did, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.